Did you ever need a medicine, reach into the medicine cabinet, and it's expired, but the middle of the night or a snowstorm, and you don't want to go out? It's time to clean out those expired meds in a safe way. You see, expired medications can be less potent or super potent, and it's hard to differentiate which medicine will lose its potency and which one will gain. It's also important never to use expired eye drops because they grow bacteria and fungus, could actually cause blindness. So now you want to get rid of your expired meds and you're thinking just throw them in the trash. No, please don't do that. Your cats, dogs, and toddlers, as we know, go in there. Not safe. And toddlers like to put everything in their mouths, especially those medication patches. So if you have a medication patch for pain, contraceptive, or hormone, please don't just dispose of it on the garbage. It's important to fold the sticky side over itself first. Now, it's been known that toddlers have gone in garbage cans, taken a fentanyl patch out, sucked on it, overdosed, and die. We want to prevent that. I'm going to show you safer ways. Now, you might think, oh, I'll just flush them. No, please don't flush your medicines. They go back into drinking water and back into nature where wildlife will be eating and drinking from those. So there are give back days. You can ask your doctor, your pharmacy, local pharmacist, even the sheriff's and police department about medication give back days. Sometimes you can even reach out to your town department of sanitation. These medication give back days where you can go and get rid of your meds that are no longer wanted or your expired meds, no questions asked, and they will dispose of them in a safe, productive way. So say you went and had surgery and were given pain medicine, but you're no longer in pain and you'd like to get rid of them, but they're not expired. Medicine give back days is a great way. We also have these bags here. These are drug deactivation system medication bags. If you get a hold of these, you just open it up, you put your pills, the pills only in there, fill it halfway with water, let it foam up, seal it, and dispose of it. So I hope this helps you get rid of your expired meds in a safe, productive way. But now it's time to also replace them so you have them and access when you need them. When you replace these meds, it's important you could also categorize them in your medicine cabinet. So if you get a cut, look at that section of the medicine cabinet where you have the Band-Aids, triple antibiotics, and disinfectants. So I hope this helped you get rid of your expired medications, especially eye drops, in a safe way, but also replace them and categorize them. Be well.